I'm BrockRose, and I received a competitive research grant here at Northern State last year. And basically, what that encompassed was going through a traditional research grant proposal. Had to write up a thesis, and I based that off of a class that I took, invertebrate zoology, where I looked at Brown County waterways, implementing various techniques that I learned in labs to isolate bacteria as well as invertebrate life from the James River, the Elm River, and Moccasin Creek. The basis of that research was basically just to further my knowledge based on the E. coli outbreak that we had the summer of 2011 here in Aberdeen. With that, I basically went through the process, was interviewed, got the grant, and in February of this year, I started doing the research. So I would go out, drill ice holes in each of the rivers at various locations, and take a water sample, and I would bring that back, and I would run some varying tests on it. I would look at it to see what its turbidity was, see what kind of bacteria was growing in there, utilizing bacterial isolation, and a battery of different tests that change colors, have different indicators such as gas chambers, etc. And then from that, what we would do is we went into some more of the genomic DNA side of things. We basically isolated the DNA out of each of the bacteria that we picked that were various colors on the plate, and we took those and synthesized the DNA in order to get the backbone of them, basically looking to go further into a library, kind of get a best guess of what we had for bacteria here around the area. And then from there, what we plan to do in the future is basically sequence those. And in order to sequence those, we have to send them off to probably Iowa State University, where they'll give us the genomic code is what it is. It's the G's, A's, T's, and C's that'll allow us to figure out exactly what they are so that we can, let people know what's actually in our rivers and stuff. Through doing this research, I gained a lot of knowledge that I actually learned quite a bit here at Northern State. The faculty was very helpful in the classes and letting me hone my skills with this research. And also it led toward allowing me to know what I really wanted to do. It let me know that the laboratory and safety side of things is really important to me, and it actually led to my future job, which I'll be starting in January 3rd, where I'll be predominantly focused on the safety aspects within a plant.